Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. Prime Minister Imran Khan and General Qamar Javed Bajwa pledged to bring MAC incidents to justice. They expressed the resolve during a meeting here on Monday. The Army Chief called on Prime Minister Imran Khan and Director General ISI Lieutenant Colonel Faiz Hamid was also present. The national security situation was discussed during the meeting. 2,408 cases, 41 COVID-19 deaths recorded within 24 hours. In Islamabad, the statistic of National Command and Operations Center has shown that the coronavirus pandemic claims 41 more lives, whereas 2,408 new infections were reported during the last 24 hours. Saudi Arabia asked foreign nationals to get digital Iqama. In Riyadh, authorities of Saudi Arabia have directed foreign nationals in the kingdom to immediately acquire a new Iqama through an online portal and application of Upshare. Indonesia uses unmanned undersea vehicle in hunt for air crash victims' black boxes. In Jakarta, Indonesia has deployed a remotely operated underwater vehicle to help divers search for the remains of victims and recover the flight recorders from an airjet that crashed into the sea 3 days ago soon after takeoff. Despite vaccines against COVID-19 being rolled out in a number of countries, the World Health Organization warned Monday that herd immunity would not be achieved this year. Countries across the globe are looking forward to vaccines to normality in the months ahead. In America, nearly 9 million Americans had been given their first COVID-19 vaccination dose as of Monday. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said as states scramble to step up inoculation that have yet to slow the roaring pandemic. India records 12,584 new coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. According to the latest update by the Union Health Ministry on Tuesday, the new cases, the positive cases tally in the country has mounted to 1,47,09,179. Capitol riots, FBI warnings amid fear of more pro-Trump violence. The FBI is warning of the possibility of armed protest being held across the US in the days before Joe Biden is sworn in as president.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.